here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with BB and Charlie. So I've noticed that Charlie, my Yorkie, runs away every time I'm doing an unboxing here. And just now I snapped the camera up into the little holder that I have, and he took off running. Wow, what is this? This looks like 4 in here. Did I buy a thing with panels? No, I bought 4 kits, it looks like. Let's see. Oh, I know what these are. It's a little set. All these tool kits are identical. Very nice. They're the white boat with the funnel, single pen with a 6-tip. Are they all 6? Yep, they're all 6 tweezers, a big chunk of wax, and some bags. And I got 3 of them. So I guess I got 4 diamond paintings here. So I guess they figured once I had 3, that was enough. Okay, I'm gonna go through these. They're small. Well, the 3 are small. They're a set. I'll do all these in one video, I guess. Let's do this one. Oh my goodness, there's 5 here. What the heck? Oh, those are the drills. There's 3 here. Okay, these 3 packages are the drills. That's why I got 3 kits. Now I'm with the program here. This is a 25 by 25, and I got these small because I really think I'm gonna save these for myself, and unless I think of someone who really has to have them. They're little kittens in teacups, and they're full drill. Can you see that? Look how cute that is. Little green-eyed kitten, and the teacup has little hearts on it. She's got a little pink bow in her hair. I looked at these a long time before I bought them this small. I think that with the shading and the way they're gonna come out, I think they're gonna be adorable. There are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 29 colors in this adorable little thing. And it's from Drill Shiny on AliExpress. So I got these 3 together because I thought, what a cute little trio if I do these and then frame them in matching frames. I thought, what a cute little set they would be. I'm going to keep them, but you know, most of my diamond paintings, the ultimate plan is to give them away. But what a cute set for like a little girl's room, don't you think? All right, here's number 2. The first one was pink with pink hearts. This one has a little ladybug theme. She has little antennas, and I'm calling them all she's because they sure do look like she's. Oh, it's curling up. I should learn to peel with my right hand. It'll be easier. This caught my eye first because of the ladybug. I'm a big ladybug fan. Oh, isn't she just adorable? She's little antennas and wings, and then on the teacup are the little ladybugs. And the symbols are excellent. Very clear. You can see that. Again, there's at least 28 colors in this one. And it looks like they're the same color palette. I'm seeing some similar numbers here. Like exactly the same. That is just adorable. Now here's the third one. So I ordered these all together and they all came together. That makes me very happy. And I'm going to put up all 3 pictures for you now. Aren't they adorable? Just love them. Same colors. And this is nice because I can do all 3 of them together and just kit the drills at one time and then just do all 3 without having to clean up and then set the drills up again. Very nice. So once again, you don't always have to go huge, you know. There are some people feel like they, you know, their skill is to a level where they need to go big, and I understand that. This kitten has feathered wings and little stars on the teacup. Just see up close some of that detail. Really cute. Really cute. I don't always go for the super cutesy ones, but I could not turn this one down. Okay. Who doesn't like a cute kitten? This one has purples and again, same background color. So that's fun. You know, I've seen these panel ones and I'm not really interested in them. But a set like this, oh, adorable. BB. So now it all makes sense. 3 little kittens, 3 sets of drills, and 3 toolkits. This may be my next one because I think I can bang them out fairly quickly. And they're really, adorable. Okay, the little one with the feathered wings has purple wings and purple flowers on its head, and it's playing a little golden harp. Adorable. And of course, I can't get it open. Come on. There we go. Maybe here's someone outside. So she's playing guard dog, which is what she does best. Oh, that's adorable. And they've all been checked off. Here's the other 2. Oh, I already saw it, showed you the images. The ladybug one is adorable. Okay, I'm going to zip through and do the inventory on all 3 of these. And then I'll check back in with you. Finished with inventory, and they're all here. I'm putting them all in one big bag because like I said, I'm gonna do them together. What I was thinking was that this is a picture I have seen in a lot of different stores, these little kittens, and I just want to point out that the link that I post in the description, there will be 3 links, are the links to these specific kits from this seller, and should be exactly like this. You may find them in other stores, you may find them cheaper, you may find them more expensive, but they're not going to be this manufacturer in this size. Cheaper, you may find partials. I've seen these as partials, and I'm telling you this because I did one unboxing videos and someone said, oh, you forgot the link. I said, oh, that's right. Okay, so I put the link up there, and then she commented, well, I found it somewhere else cheaper. And all I could think of was, well, don't come back to me and say there was something wrong with my unboxing video because yours didn't look like what I showed. I put the link in that goes exactly to what I'm unboxing. Same manufacturer, same seller, same size. And then of course you can buy another size for more or less, but be careful, because I've seen some pictures that I thought were really amazing and I really wanted them, and I ordered them and they came in and they were partials and they looked nothing like the picture. So, I mean, you're seeing how these come out of the packages, and if that is what you want, then follow the link. If you want to find it cheaper and don't care if it's a partial, please go save money. If you want to do a bigger one with more detail, please go ahead. But I just want to make sure everybody knows that link in the description is to what I'm opening. So just be careful. Sometimes you really have to read the descriptions on things to make sure you know what you're getting. I've been fooled quite a few times. And, that's just buyer beware. Unless they advertise it wrong, which sometimes they do. That's the end for today. I am doing a lot of unboxings today. BB is enjoying it. Charlie is not enjoying it since he's hiding. If you like my videos, please hit like and subscribe. And if you're on Facebook, come join the Facebook group, Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. Feel free to chat me up if you have any questions. I can't believe I just said the words chat me up. What else? That's all. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm so happy you're here with me. And I will catch you later. So you have a great day of diamond painting. Bye-bye.